With Heiden's latest live avatar, you can build AI avatars that actually respond in real time with natural gestures, mannerisms, with voices fully lip-synced.
Hey there, how can I help you today?
Before we get started, are you experiencing any pain or discomfort in your lower back, neck, or joints?
Tell me a bit about yourself. What makes you a great fit for this role?
That's right. Using LiveAvatar, you can speak to someone like me in real time right now.
That's right. AI avatars have been missing that human element until now. LiveAvatars puts a real face to the voice. Real time, lifelike, and honestly, it's kind of impressive. So, let me show you how. Okay, so LiveAvatars, and nope, they aren't what you're thinking. We're not turning you into a giant blue alien on a freakish planet. Wait, was it just me thinking that? Okay, guilty as charged. Anyway, a LiveAvatar is a hyper-realistic AI avatar that holds real conversations on your behalf. You give it your knowledge, and it shows with your face and your voice ready to talk. Or it could be someone else's. When someone starts a conversation, your avatar listens, thinks, and responds in real time. Naturally lip sync, natural expressions, virtually there is no delay. That's the foundation. Now let me show you 3 things that you need to set it up. First up, avatars. Head to the link in the description and sign in with your HeyGen account. Same credentials, no new sign up needed. Once you're in, navigate to the avatars page. You'll see a full library of AI preset options ready to go right out of the box. I'm talking doctors, therapists, recruiters, HR professionals, teachers, fitness coaches, tech experts. Each set is in their own environment. Each character also comes in multiple looks, whether they're sitting, standing, different outfits, or even in portrait mode. So matching one to your use case is pretty fast. This is essentially picking the face of your AI assistant. Whether it's for the customer support, a recruiter, a coach, or educator, you can pick appropriately for the objective. Now, if you want to go further and create a custom live avatar using your own face and likeness, that's absolutely an option. Just know you'll need to upgrade to a paid live avatar plan to do that. Alright, let's keep moving. Now let's give your avatar a brain. This is the context tab. Every context is essentially a knowledge documentation. It tells your avatar who it is, what it knows, and how you should show up in a conversation. I've got a few already set up here, like a business coach, a customer support assistant, among many others, and each one is a completely different use case. To build your own, click Create New, and the first thing you need to do is give it a name, something that describes the role of the purpose of this avatar. And next, you'll see an opening intro. And in this part, it matters more than you think. The opening intro is the very first thing a user hears. It's not just a greeting. It sets the tone, establishes who the avatar is, and gets the conversation going in the right direction.
Hey there, I'm June from HeyGen LiveAvatar Support. Are you trying to set up your first avatar today or just exploring how it works?
As you can tell, it's immediately warm, immediately useful. But now let's look at the AI recruiter.
Hey there, I'm Silas. I just want to chat a bit about your background and see what you're excited to work on lately.
That's a first round interview that doesn't feel quite like an interview. The opening intro is the difference between a chatbot and an experience, so don't skip it. Now for the rest, I highly recommend Write with Guidance. It opens a structured window with 3 fields. First is persona. Who is this avatar? What does it communicate? What's it there to do? Get specific. The more defined the persona, the more consistent the performance. Second is knowledge. Everything the avatar actually knows. Your product docs, your FAQs, your course content. Now you do have the option to pull all of this information with a URL in the previous section. So you can just paste in your URL and the platform summarizes it automatically. And lastly, instructions. The rules of engagement. Things like keep each response to 30 words or less, or always end with a follow-up question. Fill in all 3 and it formats everything into a structured prompt automatically. Quick tip here, use an LLM to help you write this. Dump everything you know about the avatar you're building into ChatGPT or Claude and describe what you want it to do. Then you can just let it write the persona and knowledge section for you. The more detail, the better the output. And here's how I would actually use this for myself. In my coaching program Pro Content Academy, I dedicate 1 day to answering questions and meeting with my students. But on the days that we don't meet, they don't have direct access to me, and most of them aren't fond of my emails. So rather than making them wait until the following week, I can upload my course material and knowledge and create a virtual version of myself, and my students will get the answers in real time anytime that they need it. That's the power of a well-built context. Let's pause for a cause. If you're finding value in this video, be sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got a lot more content coming your way. Okay, let's get back to the video. Okay, let's look at the voices. There are several voice presets built in. Each one matched the character avatars that you saw. So if you picked Graham, Graham's voice is also in there. If it's Judy, the same deal. You can preview them all before you commit. And if you need something more specific, a different accent, a different style, you can add a third-party voice. To do that, click Manage Third-Party Voice in the top right-hand corner, then click on Import Voices. You'll see the option to connect your 11 Labs API key or any other integrations that may come in the future. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in how the whole thing feels. So now that you've got your avatar, your context, and your voice all dialed in, the next step is putting it in front of your audience. Head back to the avatars page and hover over the avatar you want to deploy. Then click the 3 dots and select Embed. A quick modal will pop up. Select your context, the voice language, the orientation, and the session time limit. Then at the bottom, you'll see an iframe HTML snippet. You want to copy that and then drop it into your website, and your live avatar will be live on your site. Here's what it looks like in practice. I embedded mine directly into Pro Content Academy website so my students can access it at any time right from the platform. Now, if you're a developer and you want to embed live avatars in your own platform, there's a dedicated developer section. You'll find your API keys, user tracking, and integrations. Everything you need to build it into your stack. And just to give you a sense of what this looks like at scale, Reid Hoffman, the co-founder of LinkedIn, his digital twin built on LiveAvatar hit over 50 million impressions. Edu, an AI learning platform, grew by over 3,000% using LiveAvatar for personalized student experiences, as well as Zeligate used it to cut 27 hours from every hire. This isn't experimental, this is production ready. If you want to try it, there's a free plan. You get 10 credits and the full 1080p preset avatar library, as well as a full API access. No commitment needed. The link will be in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe because there's a lot more coming on this platform. And next, be sure to watch this video here on our channel. I'll see you in the next one.